Hello students, welcome to this video. Today we will discuss on the topic representation of sets. A set can be expressed in three forms, that is description method, tabular or roster method, and set builder or rule method. So let us go for an example. Suppose n is the set of natural numbers. So in description method, it will be described in this way that n is the set of natural numbers. But in tabular or roster method, we will express it in this way that n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And it will be represented in a curly bracket. So that is what the roster method is. But in set builder method, we will write n is equal to x such that this sign is called such that x is a natural number. That means whatever number the x is, it will be a natural number. So all the three methods are just showing a single set, that is set of natural numbers, and these are the different ways of representation. The question is expressed in the roster form. Okay. A is the set of letters in the word inverse. So this is expressed in description method. We have to express in roster form. Now see here, A is the set of letters in the word inverse. So that is why A is the set. So this is equal to I, N, V, E, R, S. Now see here, E is repeated twice, but we have taken one time. And one more thing, that is it has been expressed in a curly bracket, and most importantly all the words written in small letter. Now our next set is B, which is the set of factors of 24. So we can easily say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24, all these numbers can divide 24. So they are the factors of 24. So this is the answer, and it has been expressed in this curly bracket, and here each 1, 2, 3, 4 and all are elements of this set B. Our next question is C is equal to X such that X belongs to W and X is less than 10. Now you see C is equal to X. So C is the set, X is that number which belongs to W. That means W is the set of whole numbers. Now also X is less than 10. Now see, X is a whole number which is less than 10. Now you think carefully that whole number starts from 0. So we will count from 0 to 10, but we will not take 10 because the number X is less than 10. Okay, now X represents all the numbers with this condition, and this set which was represented in set builder form is now represented in the form of roster. Now this problem has become more interesting because t is equal to x such that x belongs to n and 2x minus 3 is less than 17. Now in the next line we have done a little change because this minus 3 has been taken to the right side and it has been added with 17. Okay, and therefore this 17 plus 3 is 20 and it is 2x, so this 2 will go to the right hand side and it will divide this 20. So ultimately the condition is x belongs to n and x less than equal to 10. Because this equal to sign is here, so we have to consider this 10 also. Because natural number starts from 1, so we have to take from 1 up to 10 because x is less than equal to 10. And this is the expression and this is the representation of this set in roster form. Now our next question is to express the following in set builder form. The first question is A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Now you see carefully, this 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 all are multiple of 3. So that means all can be divided by 3. So we can, and also it is, and they are natural number. So we can easily say that x is a natural number divisible by 3 and x is less than 16. And by this elaboration we can express this set. So this is roster method and this is set builder form. So our next set is B equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and 36. Now if you see carefully, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and 36, first of all they all are natural number and their special quality is they all are square. So we can write x is a perfect square natural number, and we have to stop somewhere because natural number is never ending. So that is why we have given this condition that x is less than equal to 36. So our conclusion is, if a set is given in any one of the forms, so we can express in the other two forms also. I hope you have understood. So thank you. Thank you for watching this video.